In primetime news this evening, mystery in Riversdale, 4 slaughtered in brutal attack on family in St. Catherine.
Convicted gangster Andre Blackman Bryan pleads for mercy for his fellow gang members.
No clear majority for Republican RGR Gleaner Don Anderson poll. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, we're going to get some news from Dermont Trading, a listed company. They're going to give us an update on the cyber attack which took place late last month and some other company happening. So I'll have the details later.
Thank you, Keys. And Jordan Ford, is it football?
You could have asked that?
Yep, no, well, I have to ask. I don't know what they're doing.
It is football, Archie. The Reggae girls are currently locked in a crucial battle. It's an Olympic qualifying match against Canada in Canada. And that match is at halftime as we speak. Of course, we'll give you the details of that in Primetime Sports Tuesday. Also, we continue our look on the psychological pressures faced by high school student athletes.
And he forgot to say 1-all. I mean, can they do it? We're waiting and we're excited. But before the break, there's the feedback question.
They seem to be asking, what's your reaction to the announcement that more zones of special operations will be established in crime hotspots across the island?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. The news in detail after the break.